So good day everyone. Today I will be teaching you how to identify which process to use for our cheat engine. As you can see, we have a lot of Chrome processes here. So to identify the process that you want to know, first thing we do is we go to Task Manager. Then we look for the process ID of the process we want to use. So the process ID of the Shockwave Flash is 3584. Then we convert it to hex. 3584. See, that's the hex value of 3584. Then we look at it on our process list. There you go. Found it. So let's test it. 100. 300 now. And that is how you locate the right process for your cheat engine. I hope you enjoyed this video.